Hey guys, good morning. So today we are actually making lunch because we have some guests coming over, just family guests. They live nearby, so they're coming over. So we are making chole. Chole is basically chickpea curry, and our mom will be making bhature. So that is going to be our lunch. And here's a pressure cooker. I have all the spices here. And look at him, what he's doing. He's chopping up tomatoes. This is from Tupperware. I don't know, we don't get it over there, but yeah, our mom had it, so we're just doing it this. Some onions, ginger, and green chili, and chickpeas. And here's tomato. So we are making this. And do we have any plans for the evening?
This is our mom's best friend. Called her Masi.
Yeah.
With me sister. Pretty much, so she might not be coming.
Yeah. Otherwise, we don't have any plan. I think we'll watch some movie, like which movie is that? Badhayo. And other than that, we don't have any plans. But if we do, we'll definitely take you with us. Let's see. Let's start cooking. So chickpea curry is done. Do you see the color? Oh my god, it looks delicious. Wow. This is all done. And the dough is ready over here. This is all-purpose flour dough made out of yogurt and semolina and all-purpose flour. So once the entire lunch is ready, we'll show you how it looks. Hey guys! So it's almost 7 o'clock in the evening. Everyone loved the lunch. It was chole bhature, and I totally forgot to show it to you how the bhature was made and everything. But I'll definitely show it to you next time. And right now, after our lunch, we were just relaxing and everything. And right now, we're making cookies, and And I saw this whisker for the first time in my life. You see, he has to do something like this. No, I'll just turn the other way. Better. So this is the whisker he's using. You see what he's doing. So I'm making my best chocolate chip cookies over here. And that's it. This is what we're doing. It's a very relaxing day. We're not doing anything much. We're not going out or anything. Just relaxing. A baby oven, so we have like 5 cookies in there baking, and I think they're gonna take 8 to 10 minutes.
Who's your helper today?
He's my helper and she's my helper. And mom is here just to taste the cookies. Say hi! Hi. And I have all the dough over here, so we're just gonna bake 5 cookies at a time, and let's see how they come out today. So super excited to try them, and let's see how they come out.
Okay. Look who's hiding! Come, Nandika! Aajo! What are you eating?
These are called fish pakoda. Fish frittata. So good.
And we are eating with this onions.
Good morning. So last night I went and slept very early because I was super tired and everything, and then my aunt also slept, And today morning we are very fresh. I have already started my work. I'm editing my videos, and he's also working with his tea and shake. And it's a beautiful weather outside. It's slightly cold, but it's very dusty. That doesn't count on a beautiful weather. And right now we're just here working a little bit. Let's see what we have planned for the day. We don't have anything specific planned, but let's see how and what we do. We'll go to the gym, and yeah. And there is my mom, our mom actually. I don't know whether you can see her. Mama, say hi.
Hi.
So she was just having her tea, and she already worked out and everything. She gets up like what time in the morning? What time do you get up, Mama, in the morning? 4 o'clock? 5 o'clock?
4:30.
4:30. Okay, she gets up in the morning at 4:30. She does her work, and she goes to school for Dad. And she works out and does all of her stuff and gets free by 7:38. Yeah. So she's an early riser, and we are not. Anyway, so we are just working over here, and yeah. So 2 years back when I came here, I went to one of our neighbors here, and I smelled some delicious Maggie, and I came back running home, and I was like, oh my god, that smells so delicious. But I was so shy that time, so I couldn't even say that I also want to eat it or something like that. And now 2 years back, now that I'm here, I still remember that Maggie's smell. And I told that Bhabhi that I want to try that Maggie that you made 2 years ago. So she made us. She just got us that Maggie that we are eating right now. It's full of vegetables, and it is so delicious. And he's also enjoying the Maggie. Look at him. He's eating. He's working and enjoying his Maggie. Let me know how it is once you taste it. Is it good?
It's really good.
Yeah.
2, 3 years, 4
Yeah.
years.
Yeah.
Literally 4 years.
Yeah.
And it's not even big. It's 11:30.
Yeah, we actually.
It's
Yeah. It's kind of a brunch or something like that. So it's so good. It has peas, carrot, potatoes, onion, green pepper, and all this stuff. And I have my face mask on just to detox my face. My skin actually, not my face. So good. Yesterday I made my famous energy bars, and it got so famous here that everyone loved it. So we went to get some more dates right now, and I'll be making that again today. And we're just prepping for it. There's some giveaway in making over here, and there's some salad getting chopped, and there's Kavita. She's feeling shy. She doesn't want to say hi though. Hi, Boldo. Hi, Boldo. And there's salad. We're gonna have lunch right now. Super hungry.
Okay, so it is 9 o'clock over here. Nothing much going on from the last 2 days, just because of the fact that from tomorrow onwards it's gonna be pretty hectic. And by hectic, we don't mind hectic because we are going to meet some more family, cousins. We are visiting two new places tomorrow, nearby Bareilly. So from tomorrow morning, like 6 o'clock, we all are gonna wake up, and my brother is coming tomorrow morning at 5 o'clock. So it's 9 o'clock. So we are planning to just go to bed early and end this vlog as well. So that tomorrow morning at 5 o'clock we can go and get him. I mean, probably I'm gonna go just to pick him up from the bus station, and then we were not in a mood to eat anything. My mom made something with the chickpea flour, like the chickpea dimes. You can find the recipe in Tanya's kitchen. So we just had a little bit of chickpea dimes, and now we are all planning to just drop that, go to bed. So that is what's going on right now, and tomorrow in our new vlog you'll get to see when we visit our extended family. Our mama, mommy, we haven't seen them in like 3-4 years, and then my cousin, that is my Mausi's daughters, and son. So those are the people we are gonna go meet. Sorry if it's dark, but I was doing that. So those are the people we are gonna meet tomorrow. So we're going to bed now, and good night. And don't forget to see the chickpea dimes thing in Tanya's kitchen. We'll put the link up here in the card. Good night, and she's all cozy and ready to sleep already.
Bye-bye.
Good night.